Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zapier for trigger-based workflow automation step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.zapier.com and press enter. Wait for the Zapier homepage to load completely. Look for the login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Zapier dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To create a new workflow, look for the Make a Zap button. Click on the Make a Zap button to begin setting up your trigger-based automation. Explore the available apps and triggers to connect to your workflow. Once you've selected your trigger, follow the prompts to configure it. After setting up your trigger, you can add actions to complete your workflow. Continue through the setup process, saving your progress as needed. Review your workflow settings before finalizing. Once satisfied, click the Turn on Zap button to activate your workflow. Congratulations, you are now logged in and ready to automate your tasks with Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.